Got an LG Blu-Ray burner, I think, in there. And my case is, of course, the THOR V2. Very nice case, I love it to death. Oh, also in the front, I have this little drawer where I keep all my USBs or my mouse ways. I also have the G9X. Down here I've got a Kingston SSD for my boot drive, and here's my storage drive. I'll be adding another storage drive later. This one's only 500 for programs. The next one's going to be for games and move pictures, whatever. Here's the Cooler Master. I don't know, forget, Hyper Evo 2112 Plus. Motherboard Z77 Extreme ASRock Extreme Z77 Extreme 4. Like it. It's very nice. Installed quickly. Everything went in, fit perfectly. It's very sturdy. It's a flexible ATX. Very nice. Here we have the GTX. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Here we have the GTX 660 Ti. This is Rosewill Green Series 80 Plus 630, 630 watts. Everything looks great. I love the cable management. Routes to the back, very nice. Alright, let me turn it on. You can see there's the LED fan. Goes red. I really like how there's an LED back in the back of my my video card. It lights up.